Well, absolutely. Like you mentioned, very good day of trade coming in for our market today. Absolutely no complaints on the way today's trading session has panned out. Let's pull up the Nifty 50, almost a 4% uptick coming in on Nifty 50. I don't remember the last time we've seen a gain like this, but I'll tell you when that has been. This is the biggest intraday gain since February of 2021. All the way back, and this is a gain that we're seeing today on the back of the India-Pakistan ceasefire happening. Lots of developments have happened on the US-China trade deal as well. Lots of economic boosts that have come for the country today. 3.8%, roughly 4% uptick coming in on the Nifty 50 today. A 915-point run coming in for our trading session. Because remember, on Friday we closed at 24,000. So just roughly a 1,000-point rally that's coming in one session today. What a stellar day of trade coming in for our markets today. Sensex 2 in tandem with the Nifty. You have a 3.7% uptick coming in on the Sensex as well. So looking good on that front. Above the 82,400 mark for now. Nifty Bank 2 in tandem with the markets, almost a 3.5% uptick coming in on Nifty Bank as well today. 55,400 marks is where we are sustaining right now when it comes to the Nifty Bank. When you take a look at the advanced decline ratio, you have some stocks that have slipped towards the decline from where we had started, but nonetheless you had all the stocks, the major stocks that were in the advances today. But before we take a look at the India VIX, let's take a look at what the broader end of the market was doing. A 4% uptick coming in for both the Nifty Mid Cap as well as the Nifty Small Cap Index. But while we are talking about what the advanced decline ratio was like, let's take a look at what the India VIX did today. A 15% cut coming in. Remember, we were once around the 17.7, 17.8 level, sub the 18 mark. We spiked a little bit from there, but nonetheless, almost a 15% intraday cut coming in on India VIX, looking very healthy on that front too. Sectorally today, it was the day of the IT stocks in today's trading session. All of them up in a buzz in today's trading session. You had the names of Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro. All of them have done well, and these are some of the top Nifty gainers as well. The other top Nifty gainers, Adani Enterprises, Infosys, Shriram Finance, Trent, Tata Steel, Wipro, Jio Financial, all of them have done pretty well. Two stocks that have been in pressure ever since the get-go, and these were the only two stocks out of the entire Nifty 50 pack that have ended the day in the red. That's Sun Pharma as well as IndusInd Bank. Lots of issues being flagged off in IndusInd Bank over the course of the weekend as well. There were allegations of insider trading. Moody's has cut down its credit outlook. IndusInd Bank was also under deep pressure today, but barring this, 48 stocks from the Nifty 50 stocks have ended in the green in today's trade. Sectorally also, like I mentioned, IT top sectoral gainer, more than 6.5% uptick coming in on an intraday basis, followed by metal, realty, energy, Nifty Bank, auto, media, PSU Bank, FMCG, and Pharma has been flip-flopping in the red and the green, but nonetheless seems to be at the flat line right now with a hint of a positive bias. Is of the Nifty Pharma indexes, a 0.1% uptick coming in on that front as well. While we are talking about some big buzzers, Triveni Turbine on the back of its Q4 numbers. Indigo was a buzz today because they said that they will progressively start their regular flight operations now that the ceasefire is in place. You also had Escorts Kubota on a double upgrade coming in by BofA, so looking good on that front. Aurobindo Pharma, an upgrade coming in by Motilal Oswal, very healthy moves over there as well. Affle India, good move coming there. Yes Bank in focus on the back of SMBC acquiring 20% stake in the company, so that stock was in focus. And lots of other stocks were in focus today, but well, yes, while we are talking about what the index move has been today, Nifty Bank, biggest intraday gain in the last 5 months. Nifty Metal, the index to talk about today, biggest intraday gains in the last 11 months. And Nifty, of course, biggest intraday gain since February of 2021. Stellar gains coming in, 3.8% higher, 24,900 is the level we seem to have closed the day at. We'll give those rates some time to settle, but what a day of trade coming in for our markets back home.